What's up? Another daily market video. So, let's see. I was researching solar. My bad. So I did do a lot of position changes. So this morning, I guess I'll just do it here. Um, I cut all of these basically. So I did end up selling half on Friday, and then I sold the other half on today. And then I just averaged the exit prices since it was half. And then I closed my silver short um, since it was up today. I do think it will go down again, but I was in healthy profit, so why not? Um, Not sure if this is. I guess this has to be right. Then let's see. Oh yeah, I also picked up tan because I was thinking about solar and stuff like that. So I was thinking with metals crashing, that should probably give even more leeway for solar stuff to run. So maybe as metals struggle over the next couple of months, solar could go up. Who really knows? I mean, one of the biggest solar companies had like a major payout on earnings. So maybe things are looking good in that department. There's been a steady uptrend. So maybe this is when we go up a lot. These two levels here are pretty major dark pool activities. And honestly, the stock looks pretty strong. So I'm in the ETF, so it's like why not pick it up? And I'm not in many positions, so this just looks fine still. This looks fine still. Um yeah, this might be my new stock I pick up. I like it on the longer time frame. Just because it looks like it's like a mini volatility contraction pattern and then kind of stops around here. But if we like get into like 35 or some like 33, like a close around 33, I think might be a breakout, and who knows where we go. Yeah. Um, yeah. So I've been looking at this stock. This stock too also looks pretty decent. This is the Build-A-Bear thing. I'm just waiting for it to pick back up, and whenever it picks back up, I'll buy some. And then this, I've been kind of looking at this just because this might be another volatility contraction, but it looks a little bit weird because of this uptrend. But I mean, if it breaks like 12 and like closes above it, then it might run up higher. Who knows? Then this, I am kind of bullish on this, but it isn't really a volatility contraction pattern. Yeah. So I've been kind of monitoring this. Then this, I'm also monitoring because it does look like a volatility contraction pattern pretty well. And I don't think it's really broken up yet, so I haven't picked it up. But I did have a major earnings beat. This, I guess I'm just still monitoring silver, but I have my silver, so I don't need this. Then I'm just monitoring this, which I closed. Monitoring this, which I closed. This. Um, just looking at this, I guess. Also looking at this, but I'm not sure if I'll ever pick it up. But the trend doesn't look too bad, but I do think it is pretty correlated with metals. So then this I've been looking, but the price action doesn't look good enough for me yet. This I've been looking at for a while. I need to move it up since it's higher on the list, but I was kind of hoping for it to clear these highs, but it didn't, so I'll just monitor what it does. This still monitoring. Then this kind of looks promising, honestly. So we'll see what happens here. Then metals, honestly, my base case for silver is that it's just gonna crash. I think it's gonna get to the bull market support band, and then we'll see what it does there. Um, Yeah, I mean, look, like we go to bull market support, then we bounce and we drop below it, then we get rejected by it, then we drop again, make like a double bottom, and I guess try to hold it until we break down further. So yeah, whenever we, I mean, I don't really know if this is over yet. It the crash does look over, and then if you really look at how people are responding to the silver crash, like let's silver crash Reddit. Ooh, I don't want to go on this one. Yeah, this is funny. This is hilarious, bro. Does anyone? And then it happens the next day. No, I think those days are gone for good. Actually, crazy. Like you can just kind of tell. Um, let me see, because I was finding. I'm not sure if it was on this Reddit, but if it's not on this Reddit, then maybe. See, look at this. Bought 100 more at 88, and they just don't care. They just don't care that a like 40% intraday crash happened. Right? They just don't care, right? Like just a complete disregard. Then let's see here. Yeah, I mean, see, I'm thinking between 100 and 150. Like, what? I bought the dip. Thanks, guys. There's just so many like posts, but like, you don't see really anyone like worried. I guess, right? They're just like I'm trying to buy silver. I'm trying to buy, like, let me buy even after a crash like this. And I really do believe that there's two types of environments for markets. There's a low volatility and there's a high volatility, and you want to not really participate in the high volatility because price can really whiplash. And here, this, there's a lot of Markov models that you can use to determine if something is like low or high volatility. But like this right here, like let's say like this type of volatility like would instantly turn it into a high volatility environment, right? Would instantly, because like let's say your normal day of volatility is like 2%, then you have a high volatility percent, which might be at 7%. But like this is like 30 to 40%, and this is even high for high volatility events, right? Um, right here you wouldn't have really categorized that because this is one day. You would have been like maybe it's 50-50, but the next few days, like the past month has been good, right? And then the volatility actually does die down, right? And then it dies down. But here, like this completely changes it, right? And the next day is also extremely highly volatile. This day is extremely high volatile. So I do think silver has entered a new environment, or you could call it a high volatility regime. Who knows how long this will last for? But I really don't think anyone you should want to put your money in this, right? Now, if it goes up and another dark pull happens, I'm shorting the hell out of it, right? Because silver really looks dead. It looks like it does in any other crash, right? And it might enter a 2-year bear market. Who really knows, right? It even introduced volatility to copper. Is copper entering a high volatility environment? I don't really know, but as coin toss for me, like gold is very highly volatile now, so I just don't really want to participate in all of this. But if things die down and silver's dead, but other stuff is running, then maybe I'll pick it back up, right? I just want to make money in the highest probability sense, not really gamble too much. Bitcoin's, I mean, looking bad, honestly. Like, how else can you say it? Uh, I mean, like, when will the low come? I don't really think you can predict lows and stuff like that. Could come, could be low, could not be low. I don't really care. Whenever a new uptrend happens, I'll probably like if it's something that looks good to me, I'll pick it up early. Otherwise, I'm just gonna sell the remaining bits of my crypto, which I've been holding for like a year. So I mean, honestly, I've been holding this Ethereum for like a year, but I think I bought it like right around. I don't even know when I bought it. Oh, I think I bought it right around here. So I'm down on my position, but what can you say? I bought a lot in this little area and I sold most of it like around here. So um, I'm doing fine, but yeah, this crash is kind of annoying because I did think it was gonna go up a bit more, which is why I held a little bit, but luckily I sold out of most of it. Yeah. So I guess that's it for the markets. Things are looking a bit crazy. The S&P is still holding up, but who knows how longer it will do it. I'm not. The market is showing a lot of warning signs to me, at least. Like you have Bitcoin crashing, you have metals crashing, you have the mags being weak. Obviously, you have a lot of rotations, but it does kind of seem end of cycle. But who knows, really? That's the video. Thanks for watching.